LeBrew's HyperBurrs are a very good competitor to burrs from another well-known manufacturer. The HyperBurrs are made of specialty DC53 steel and feature a titanium aluminum nitride conductive coating on most variants. This makes these burrs very durable and has lower retention. How do they perform in practice? Excellent! After several months of use, I still see no signs of damage, and the retention is noticeably lower than DLC burrs. In my case, these are Espresso burrs, which are perfect for balanced espresso. So if you're considering changing burrs, definitely check out the